Okay, so before moving into step 62, we're going to try to make us a USB plug um, for this. So let's set this aside for a second. So what I've got here is a lightning cable that the end broke off of for my truck. I'm sure we all have USB cables lying around that have broken off somewhere or aren't working. So I cut that off and then kind of try to strip this back. Okay. And so I've got a few different cables in here, and all I need is the red and the black one. So I'm going to try to clean this up just a little bit. Okay, so I've got those pulled back. I want to strip these a little bit. That's the black. Now the red. Looks like this one's going to be kind of hard to strip. There it goes. And I really want to try to get all this. I've got a lot of fluff and fuzzy stuff out here. Really want to kind of get that away from that. Okay, so there's my red, there's my black. On my board, on this green part, I've got these two sides. So I'm gonna get my screwdriver. I'm gonna loosen up these screws on the top, turning them to the left. And the little metal piece in those holes will come down. Like that. So down here I can see that I've got a positive here and a negative here. So my red will go in over here, my black will go in on the left side. So I want to get those accordingly. I might end up having to strip back the main wire some. I might not. I want to make sure those are in there pretty good. Hold pressure there. And then tighten these screws down. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I'm going to tighten it down to where it's pretty dang snug. And they came out. So I need to strip it even more. Awesome. But hey, this is a good learning experience. So I couldn't get in far enough that way. Strip it out this way. And this is just a tricky cable with all the shrouding that's around it. This is what I should have done in the beginning though, honestly. I do think I've got enough wire to work with now. So again, I'll come loosen these up quite a bit. Okay. Now we'll get the black wire into the left side. I'll go ahead and tighten that up. Yeah, now that one's in there now. Get the red wire into the right side. And that's in there. Plug this in over here. And I can move it to 5 volt. And now I have a USB cable, so I don't have to use the battery all the time.